Потом, после, когда будет Q&A. Я начну, не переживай.
Спасибо.
Да, не переживай. Но пока что никого нет. Okay, we are live. I see there is someone in here already. The recording is on. All right, welcome everyone. This is yet another edition of our weekly AMA sessions. Today it's going to be me, Vasilia, and Anna. Many of you have already talked to her about projects and different project opportunities. She's the one posting the project opportunities on the forum and giving you guys all the details about the engagement and the project details. So today she's our guest, and she will tell us today about the current project opportunities which are available for now at the Open Web Sandbox, and will tell you how to engage with them today. So, Anna?
So, hi to everybody, and some of you already know me, already work with me, and I will start to present my screen now to show all ongoing projects in September. So the first project of September is DAO Records project, and DAO Records project unite musicians and their fans and investors. So it gives artists full control of their revenue by using Vault technology. By now, DAO Records use Vault technology based on Ethereum. So now we are missing translation of that codes for the Near platform, and after this we will be able to implement all the elements of the project to the Near. By now we are looking experienced developers to translate Ethereum Vault smart contracts written on Solidity to Near languages, right, or assembly script. DAO Records with one DAO will participate in the next AMA on 20th of October. So if you're interested in this project, come to AMA and ask your questions now or on 20th of October. And reward for this project is $200 per one translated contract. Then next project, it's mine project, and here. We are collaborates with a global movie production company in order to create NFTs for movie-related content assets. This is a recurring project, so if you will want this opportunity, we will potentially give you great contributors a ton of super excited work related to sports and movies. By now, we are looking for someone with the ability to create 3D illustrations and design assets. So you should have experience in 3D design and content creation. Reward for this opportunity is $200 for set of 10 avatars. The next project is a project provided by Open Web Sandbox. By now, we are aiming to launch pitch starter kit to help projects to help persons to build their own project and to break through all the difficulties that they can meet on their way. So for this, we are want to product one tutorial video, 15 or 20 minutes, how to rock your pitch, and reward for this will be $200. You can start with writing to me and sharing with me script for the video. Then we'll discuss the script, and then we can start the production of the video. Another opportunity is to host AMA session to discuss the all above materials. What should be included in this? Actually, you should to tell about what should be incorporated in virtual pitch, what kind of slides and support materials should be prepared, and how should look our pitch. So, the next project is Suncor Project. Suncor Projects is an African-focused community integrating the near blockchain to projects and solutions conceived and built by local developers in Kenya. By now, Suncor is launching their new website. So for this new website, we need a person who will help us with the research and who will help the content creator to write some content for the websites. So people with management skills are welcome, and also all sandboxers with writing and research experience also highly welcome. Reward for this opportunity is $250. Another fun project with whom we collaborated in September is Shroom Kingdom Project. Here we are looking for people who will help us with production of designs for the game. Shroom Project is an upcoming play-to-earn video game built on Near blockchain. So sandboxers have several opportunities to collaborate with this game. First task is to provide us NFT graphic design. By now, the design for the game is not chosen yet, so the sandboxer who will work with this task should suggest us on what design we should work. Another 3 tasks it's our different task in order to help us to create near-chan sprites for the game. The rewards for this are like $130, $180, and $230. And another project is a project provided by Tank and Near Labs project. Tank project provides the necessary platform resources and guidance for artists and creators to launch generative NFT sets on Near and connect them collectors to the community. As a community manager, you will be the bridge between artists and their fans and collectors. You're in charge of moderating the chat and and also you should to come up with creative ideas how to engage the community on Tank. To participate in this project, you should have advanced qualifications in management of Discord, of TikTok, of Instagram. Also, you should have a self-starter attitude and ability to execute new ideas with autonomy. Also, you should have excellent verbal and written communication skills. And also, the passion for NFT will be a large plus for us. To schedule the interview, you can write to me. And after this, you'll have interview with owner of the project to see. And the last project is Sputnik DAO project. Here we are aiming to spread the word about guilds and DAOs on Near. So our goal is to make DAOs feel human and present their success cases with infographics and animations. So to start work on this project, write to me. You can choose if you will conduct interview with guilds, or you can write about their story by your own. You can find the details on reward in the list of rolling opportunities. So it was the last project in September, and all the projects you can find in our Discord server and also in our Near forum.
Thank you, Anna, for this overview. Sounds like a lot. I feel like there are a lot of opportunities for different kinds of people, a lot of technical opportunities, I must admit. So I assume there is always a search for a technical talent on the platform. Yeah, I've actually seen that on the forum, people engage directly with like your forum posts. Like you've posted, I think, the DAO records opportunity, and there have been a couple people who I never saw on the Open Web Sandbox who already like just engage immediately with the forum post. Does it happen often?
Yeah, it's happened quite often, and usually we contact to all the people. So if you're interested in one of the projects, you can just comment the post or like the post, and we will contact you and answer all your questions or like answer your feedback.
Okay, I think that's clear. Will you post the PowerPoint on the Discord as well after the session?
Yeah, I will post it, sure.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So if anybody has any questions about current project opportunities, now is the time to ask them. Yeah, Sam, thank you. The forum posts are very useful. I don't know, for me personally, it's a bit of, how should I say, the Discord is a bit hectic. So definitely when you want to have the most detailed information. Like we always try to copy everything on Discord, but I think Anna does a great job of listing everything, like each project in a very detailed way on the forum as a separate post. So thank you for that.
Yeah. Also on our Twitter, you can find all the projects that are ongoing. So
That's
you can
true. We
choose a
also,
platform that is more compatible for you.
yeah, we double everything on Twitter as well. Okay, we have a question. Is the Sputnik DAO opportunity part of the rolling opportunities or project opportunities?
Well, it's a project opportunity, but the reward is the same with the list of project opportunity. So usually contributors who proceed with this project choose to make like 8 infographics. So they are paid like for the set of infographics or animations.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, it's just
And of
the
course, there is
price.
a 20% bonus for the project.
Oh yeah, of course. How many percent? Sorry.
20.
20. Yeah, that's the case for all project opportunities, by the way. So if the specific reward is not mentioned, if it's said that you're being paid on the price of the rolling opportunities, there's always 20% on top just because you're engaging with the project. So I would definitely advise everyone to check out the project opportunities once in a while if you didn't do that so, and try to find something that fits your talents and fits your interests, because not only is it an interesting chance to showcase your skills, but also you will engage with something, like you'll bring actual value to the actual project, and then again it's a better pay, let's say. So win for all sides, I would say.
Yeah. Also, it's quite fun, I would say, because I see the comment from Monish,
Me
who already
too.
started to work on this opportunity for Sputnik DAO. And together with Jordan, the owner of the project, we did some infographics about guilds, so you can find his works by the Twitter link.
Oh, right, he posted his Twitter link. Good. What I wanted to say as well, can you throw more light on the OWS Rock Your Pitch? Like, you mean the starter, what was it, starter pitch kit? Could you tell us more about it, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. So we already proceeded with roadmap and other details for starter pitch. And the main goal is to make more clear the way to the first project for a person who just came to the near. So for this, by now we need to accomplish 2 tasks. First is to create some videos about how we can make this more easier and more fashion way. So it will be like learning video, 15-20 minutes. And after this, we would like somebody to host AMA.
Okay. And what is the reward for that project again?
So the reward for video is $200, and the reward for AMA is $75.
Per piece, per
So
video.
definitely people with experience in public speech and hosting of events are welcome for AMAs.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we have another question. Why the outreach of community is so less? I mean, I can see regional communities and language surely is a big barrier. Well, we have a surprise for you. I think this is a good thing that Anna is here today because she can break the news. Anna, please.
Yeah, actually, this question just fits to
Right
our
on
progress.
time.
Yeah, from the next week, we are opening language channels. So some of collaborators who had some difficulties with language already known it because we started to work with our managers. And from the next week, we are opening 4 language channels for Spanish-speaking, Vietnamese, Indian, and Russian-speaking collaborators. So starting from this point, you can just write to the manager of channel and he will ask all your questions on your mother tongue.
Okay, and I think more information is to follow next week, right? Like the moderators will be formally introduced and everything.
Yes. Till the end of this week, we'll start our promo, so you will see all the details soon.
Okay. The network is breaking. Lucky, I'm afraid that's the issue on your side, because for me, I don't know, I don't really have any bugs. Does anybody else experience difficulties? Let us know. Anyway, so yeah, I think it's a great thing because a lot of people indeed, as you said, struggle with languages, and I think it's a big step for us to make. It's also a big initiative to manage, in my opinion. So Anna will be the one managing those language channels, and yeah, more information to follow in the nearest couple of days. But then again, just like we are a week away, well, even less, on Monday, like 5 days away from the launch of the language channels.
Yeah, and before still, don't hesitate to contact me if you have any difficulties because we'll help you anyway.
Yeah, of course. This is also something I wanted to stress, actually, because I think we had just today on Discord, we had a contributor who was confused. And again, I would like to stress the fact that your questions are always welcome. Like, okay, if you don't feel comfortable with coming to AMA and asking your question yourself, that's totally fine. You can always send a DM to one of us. You can drop a question in the chat. You can like send in the question on the forum, wherever you feel the most comfortable with. Please just reach out to us. I try to check my DMs on Discord on a regular basis. I think it's fair for all moderators. It takes time, but usually we really try to make sure all questions and queries are answered and definitely heard. Yes, Sam, our DMs are always open indeed. Okay, so I see someone is interested in the starter pitch project. Great, thanks for the clarification. I've just joined the near forum. Yes, indeed, it does seem like a perfect opportunity. So please, maybe, Anna, can you drop your Discord handle in the comments?
Yeah,
So
sure.
that the person could contact you via Discord or Telegram, whatever you prefer, for more details and just for like engagement start. Okay, so that was about projects. Again, as promised, we also wanted to hold a Q&A session. Unfortunately, not too many questions were sent in via the anonymous form. But still, there are a couple of things which I think would be nice to discuss. First, I will go over the projects that are, the questions that were submitted. The first one was, how do I start working with your project? I assume this is someone new, someone who just joined the Open Web Sandbox. And this is also a topic which I wanted to discuss. I understand it's a very complicated matter. Like, there's a lot of information. There are a lot of channels on Discord. It's not easy for the newcomers to find their way. I totally understand that it's hard. And now at the moment, our team is planning to start working on the simplification of those processes. So if you have any ideas or if you have any suggestions on how we can make things easier, please don't hesitate to share those. We're also currently working on our own website, which will make us use Discord much less, which is definitely good news, I think, for everyone, because to be honest, we're not biggest fan ourselves either. But it takes time. Like, we launched in April and it took us a long way to get to where we are now. And please bear with us for a little bit longer. We are actually working on the changes. Like, we understand also that a lot of things are abundant, a lot of things are overcomplicated. But it will take some time for us to change those. Anyway, back to the question of how do you start? I think it's definitely good. Like, I'm just gonna show it. I'm gonna share a screen of where you can and show you where you can start. So what I always advise to all contributors who, is it visible, my Discord?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I always tell to everyone who is asking me where I should start, I tell them just go to Welcome on Board channel, the first one, the one that the welcome screen is sending you to, and click on the pinned message. Wait, pinned message is here. So if you go here and you click jump, it brings you to the first message on the channel, where all details are explained, where you're referred to the right channels. Here you can find just an overview of things which we have in our Discord. And I believe this is a definitely good place to start with contributing. And, well, not necessarily with contributing, but just like with understanding how things work and what is available here. Again, if you have any suggestions of how we can make the onboarding process more clear, please don't hesitate and share it with us, because indeed we still have to start working on it, but it's going to take some time and it's going to take a lot of work.
Also, I would say if you want to jump immediately to the projects, you can just DM me with a little message about your previous experience, and we'll try to suggest you project especially for you that will fit to your experience, and we can start from this.
Yeah. I think again, Anna does perfect job with tagging contributors. Like, when you just join, you have to fill in your contributor profiles form where you give in your skills. And I think you try to tag people who are active and who have left their data.
And also another important thing, just don't to forget to check your email sometimes, because other contributors who put their email in contributor form sometimes should receive some emails with new projects and updates about Open Web Sandbox. So you can start immediately from email even.
Yeah, thanks. We also received a question about the feedback forms being taken out of the rolling opportunities, and that is true. What I would like to do with that is I don't want to keep it as a standard thing for everyone to fill in, because I feel like it's not very valuable for us. They don't get filled in on a regular basis by the same people. So what I want to do in the future is create smaller opportunities to share feedback for you guys. Like, for example, I would like to receive your feedback on separate topics, like, for example, communication with moderators or suggestions for the future development of the Open Web Sandbox. And I will post them. Those will be limited opportunities, like limited in time. Let's say it'll be 5 days that you can fill it in and you receive a certain reward for it. And yeah, so the feedback opportunities are definitely coming back. Like, we're still really want to hear your thoughts and your feedback on certain things. It's just that we want to have it more targeted, not just general, but really specific for particular questions. So definitely keep an eye on our Discord and our Twitter, and the feedback opportunities will be back soon. It's just that we're now really occupied with the NEAR conference. There's so much work that has to happen. Me and Sophia will be present there in 2 weeks. And we also have to perform on stage during the second day. So the preparations take a big chunk of our time. And yeah, we still remember there is a big to-do list, but we're getting there. No worries, guys. Okay, now the question is the bot implementing in our Discord channel. It's really annoying to see the spam messages. Yes, Manish, we are aware of that. And I think there was a conversation on that yesterday in our working chat. I think Yak was doing something about that. Let me see. I think he's here. Maybe he can comment on that. Yak, would you mind coming to the stage and telling more about the bot that you discussed yesterday with Vale? Send a message in the chat if you're okay with coming on the stage, and then I'll call you up. Yes, no? Okay, cannot speak, but yes, we're looking into it. All right, no worries. So, yeah, Manish, thank you. We're aware of an issue, and I think we're now choosing the bot that would fit the best our needs and our platform. So yeah, this will be taken care of. Any other questions for now? It's your chance to ask if you want to, not necessarily question, if you have a suggestion or anything else. It's also you can voice it now. Like, we're here to answer your questions. We were also thinking, by the way, maybe you can. Oh, the video tutorials for starting with Discord and OWC. No, unfortunately for now, there are no video tutorials. There is an AMA, like the general AMA. If you go onto our YouTube channel, let me send it in. If you go to our YouTube channel, we held an AMA in August which was called, just a second, let me find it. It was called All About Open Web Sandbox. And there we go over certain basics. Like, there is a presentation which tells about, wait, just a second. I'll just send the link and then I'll be able to tell about it more. There you go. So this is the AMA session I'm talking about. So it was held in August, and during this AMA session, we just went over basics of Open Web Sandbox, like how you can start, what you can do. And I definitely think it could be useful. Some of the things are not so relevant in there anymore, like, for example, the payout guidelines, because that has changed. But we're definitely considering creating some video tutorials for the newcomers because we believe it's going to simplify the onboarding process. So yeah, this is on our to-do list as well, the video tutorials for starting. If you have any concrete questions about Discord, or again, I think checking out the pinned message on the Welcome on Board channel is super useful because yeah, everything is outlined there. Like the most important channels are marked up there. You're sent directly to those channels. It's explained what those channels serve for. So take a look at that. Again, I understand it's not the most obvious place, but changes are coming. Just bear with us for a bit. we're gonna rock this. We're gonna work this out, and it's gonna be smooth. And if anybody, by the way, for now, if anybody has any suggestions regarding the onboarding process for the newcomers, because we've all been newcomers here, right? Like all of you, we have really experienced contributors like Monish here, for example, but we've all been there, like we've all been newcomers. If judging by your experience, you'd say something could go smoother, please share it with us. Let us know, drop it in a general chat, or wait until I will drop the questionnaire on that topic. But anytime, like any help would be useful. If you tell us what else, because for us, we see the Discord every day. So for us, it's a bit difficult to judge immediately. But yeah, if you have any ideas on the topic, please share it. We'll make good use out of it. Okay, any other questions? Something about the project, something about the events. By the way, the New York Con will be streamed, so if anybody of you interested, you will be able to watch the stream of the conference. It's a very exciting big event, so I think might be useful. Okay, I don't see any other questions incoming at the moment. So I think we can slowly wrap it up. Again, I will stress out the fact that if you want to ask us something, please don't hesitate. DM, no DM, any channel is fine. Like you can even reply on our tweet. I will check it out. Just please reach out to us, to me, to Anna, to other moderators. We're always glad to see your messages, and we will answer all your questions.
Yeah, happy to clarify everything.
Yeah.
And to start work with you.
Another question. Are you guys thinking to start on Telegram? For me, Discord is too complex to even start with, and Telegram is something people use daily, and many people who are new are much used to Telegram. This is a very reasonable concern. I would say we were thinking about starting the Telegram, but then the thing is, we cannot leave the Discord altogether for now while we don't have our website, because a lot of operational stuff is happening on Discord still. So we're limited by that. And if we would have a Telegram, we would have to double everything we're having on Discord into Telegram. But then it's like double work for us at the moment. Mm-hmm. When we'll be moving to the website, we might have a Telegram as well, because this is something I was thinking about, to have just like, the informational channel where we will drop the most important announcements. But for now, it just seems like people will be even more confused, because there will be Telegram, Discord, which we can't abandon yet, as I said earlier, Twitter as well. Then there's also a forum. I believe it will be a bit difficult for people to grasp it all. But once we have our own website, we might actually do that. Not sure
yet. Definitely. I really believe that with website it will be much easier, but still I put my Telegram handle in the chat, so if you feel like more easy to write on Telegram, you can do it, and then we will just work with like forum posts. So actually,
yeah, whatever you prefer. You don't actually have to be active on Discord. I think a lot of things are being posted on the forum. On Discord, you can just check things, like read things that we post. And we also, the most important stuff, we try to double on Twitter for sure, about events or rolling opportunities or other things. But then, if you're more comfortable with using Telegram, you're more than welcome to ping us on Telegram. Sure. So I hope that answered your question. Okay, seems like now we're really done with questions. Nothing is incoming anymore. You're welcome. Okay, then, in this case, I would like to thank everyone who was present today. The recording will appear on our YouTube channel in a couple of hours as usual. If you have any remarks or questions, don't hesitate to reach us out. Thank you, Anna, for this presentation of projects. It was a great overview of current rolling opportunities. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing everyone next week.
Yeah, thank you for hosting this event, and thank you everybody for coming. We are waiting you for collaboration with our projects.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye.